Why is Industry 4.0 so relevant for manufacturers? Here are some interesting facts. The fourth industrial revolution is a complex and multi-factor process that blurs the classical boundaries between the physical, digital, and biological worlds. The decisive difference between Industry 3.0 and 4.0 is data. Industry 4.0 brings together advances in technologies like artificial intelligence, big data, advanced analytics, business intelligence, blockchain, robotics, Internet of Things, 3D printing, genetic engineering, or quantum computing. The manufacturing industry is moving towards a more digitized, automated, agile, and efficient operation. As a practical guide, these are the steps you should consider. 1. Where do you want to be? Connectivity is critical so that you can collect and analyze data. 2. Is the ecosystem ready? The physical and the digital must communicate. 3. Test your approach. Start small, execute, and learn from experience. 4. Concentrate on process improvements. The holy grail of Industry 4.0 is to leverage every procedure. Don't be stopped by the complexity of the process. Together, we'll make it easier. Closer to challenge complexity.